Yo, dear Raleigh, been about a half a year probably since I made the exodus. I exited the scene, so sorry. Had to do what I had to do. Still missing Hillsborough in your Carolina blue. My green eyed sugar and my cup of Joe caffeine had me feeling like living in a fast dream. Wherever the path leads, I'ma take a raw deal and heat it up like hamburgers at Char Grill. The bars real and flow like a damn fountain, even if they hit bumps like cruising on Dan Allen. I stand valid, rocking them with them cool gigs. And school kids, I'm copping my shit as school kids. The rule is remain ready to belt mine and keep it steady as the 440 belt line. Keep it running for inches until the game over, or till a Saturday adventures with the hangover. It ain't over, we only show a shell of power. Stand tall for Raleigh just like a bell tower. I'm wolf packing, Zach Galifianakis, back dabbling raps and patterns and pack passion. So Corciani and Rodney Moreau, the flow fire and ice, I body them both. Kinda like an NC weather pattern. You kinda like an MC, you better scatter. Yeah, I'm from the middle, East Coast, Carolina always. Do it all day, keep it so R-A-W. Never ever parquet, so butter when we utter. Raw from the middle, East Coast, Carolina always. Do it all day, keep it so R-A-W. Never ever parquet, so butter when we utter. Raleigh.
Dear Raleigh, I'm still Charlie. I'm so gone, I ain't really here hardly, but we still talking from a long distance. I'm dedicating you this new song, listen. You on my thoughts, at times I'm in a foul mood. You keep me up from down, I'm reaching out to people showing love, from thugs and those in house shoes. Every time they say I'm nice, they speak about you. So I don't get homesick. Raleigh community, we listen to our own shit. Something in the water, got it in the potion. Jimmy V instilled in me, so I don't quit. We feeling like a couple of bosses, and I can have a meeting in the governor's office. It's our turn, nothing can stop it. The mother cities turned over like they fumbled and lost it. Started mumbling that something was awesome. I guess they feeling how a nigga coming to crossing. You know what I mean? One born, both bred. You know what I'm saying? Bollywood.
Yeah, I'm from the middle, East Coast, Carolina always. Do it all day, keep it so R-A-W. Never ever parquet, so butter when we utter. Yeah, I'm from the middle, East Coast, Carolina always. Do it all day, keep it so R-A-W. Never ever parquet, so butter when we utter. Raleigh.
So butter when we utter. Raleigh. With a 919 shouts to Raleigh. So butter when we utter. Raleigh. Yo, cruising for the east, looking to feast at the bright yellow box. We chill all meet. Used to hang out, walk Hillsborough Street, NC State bricks, freestyling and shit on a basement tip. Ills on the wheels.